Why you need to create your own digital product this year. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, the year 2024 presents an unprecedented opportunity for entrepreneurs, creators, and forward thinkers alike. As technology continues to shape our lives, the demand for innovative digital products has skyrocketed. Whether you're an aspiring business owner, a content creator, or simply someone with a passion for problem-solving, creating your own digital product is no longer just a choice, it's a necessity. 1. The rise of the digital entrepreneur. Imagine a world where traditional employment is no longer the norm. In 2024, the gig economy and remote work have become the new normal. Individuals are seeking alternative income streams and the freedom to work on their own terms. By creating a digital product, you can tap into this global market and establish yourself as a digital entrepreneur. Picture this: Sarah, a former corporate executive, has developed a revolutionary productivity app that helps remote workers optimize their time and increase their efficiency. With her digital product, she has not only achieved financial independence, but also the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. Sarah's success story is a testament to the power of digital entrepreneurship. 2. Unleashing your creativity. In the digital age, creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or a musician, creating a digital product allows you to share your talents with a global audience like never before. Meet Alex, a talented graphic designer who has turned his passion into a thriving business by creating a suite of digital design templates. His product has empowered countless individuals and businesses to elevate their visual branding, and he's earning a substantial income doing what he loves. Alex's story proves that your creative abilities can be transformed into a successful digital product. 3. Solving real-world problems. The beauty of digital products lies in their ability to address real-world challenges. In 2024, consumers are seeking their daily pain points, and creating a digital product that solves a specific problem can be a game changer. Consider the story of Emily, a former teacher who recognized the need for an interactive educational platform that caters to different learning styles. Her digital product, an adaptive learning app, has revolutionized the way students absorb information, making education more engaging and accessible. Emily's digital product has not only improved countless lives, but has also positioned her as a trailblazer in the edtech industry. Conclusion: in 2024, the opportunities presented by the digital world are vast and waiting to be seized. Whether you're driven by entrepreneurial ambitions, creative aspirations, or a desire to solve real-world problems, creating your own digital product is the key to unlocking your full potential. This is Value Tout TV. Please like and subscribe.